So I think it won't start if I'm going to start it at this stage. So what I'm going to do is take off the spark plug and try to see if I can pull out some water in it. I think it's been submerged badly, so let's see if this will fit. Yep. Ah. Yeah, see, it's been soaked with water. It's water. So there's water in it. You see? I'll probably keep doing this until I see that not much water in it. This is so bad. I hope I can still make it run, because I just literally bought this like last month and just did a couple jobs and can't afford to buy a new one. It smells petrol now. Okay, it smells petrol now, so let's see. So I'll put the spark plug back in and let's tighten it. I think it's tight. It's tight. Put this back. Let's make sure that we can dry this as much as we can. Let's see. Let's see. So, all right. So there's no petrol. So, yeah, I think there is. I think there's petrol. Yeah, so this is the Mitsubishi. It's a multi-tool. It's a Mitsubishi TUE26. So let's try it one more time and see if, just making sure, right? Just making up sure. All right, so got it running. which is good. I thought I'm going to buy a new one. So cheers, have a good one.